Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Halo Inc. and today I'm teaching you how to embed an image in Adobe Illustrator. So the first way to do it would be to just copy and paste an image from the internet. So if we were to copy this and paste it in, you're going to see that in the links panel here, focus, it has this little icon after it dropped in, which means that it's embedded. Sometimes we can't grab images from the internet to use, and we're provided a logo folder like so. So if we were to go ahead and just drag and drop a logo in, you're going to see that it is not embedded, and this could become a problem in the future. So in order to embed the image, you just click that little drop down in your links window and embed image, and then you can hit OK. Now you can see it's embedded, and if you don't know how to access the links panel, it's just under Windows and then links, and it'll pop up. Thanks for watching.